How you can collect payment using Hubspot for completely free. So first of all, Hubspot is a leading CRM platform that offers a wide range of powerful features including the ability to capture payments. This feature is incredibly useful for like businesses of all types and sizes, whether you are running a workshop, offering paid consultation sessions, or managing recurring subscription. HubSpot has everything that you need for your customers. Now, first of all, simply start by signing up with the HubSpot. Alright, so once you have signed up for the HubSpot, the next step is you just need to click on this commerce and then click on the payments. Now let's click on setup payments. Now in order to set up our payments, we are going to use Stripe. So you just need to scroll down and click on the connect Stripe. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can simply create one. It's a very basic process, and then you just need to select your country. After that, you just need to enter your email and password and sign in with your Stripe account. Then you need to verify your personal details by entering your legal name, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, and your phone number and social security number. So once you have connected your Stripe to your HubSpot, the next step will going to be clicking on the payments or payments link. By default, this will automatically generate a payment link. Otherwise, click on the create a payment link and click on the use template. So we are going to use a template because it's much convenient. Otherwise, you just need to select your particular template. If you are selling a paid content like ebooks, online workshop, or any kind of digital content, and on your right side this will going to show you your particular landing page preview, and then once you are satisfied, click on next on the top right corner, and then this will going to show you your name, description, pricing, billing frequency, your options, and all of the necessary options for the payment to be completed. Then we have a summary tab. We have again the name, description, all the options that shows up right now. Now once you are done with all of the stuff, you just need to click on the create on the top right corner, and then you need to name your payment link. So let's say online course as an example, and click on the create button. Now if you haven't signed up for the payments as we have already did, otherwise you will have the option to enroll in the payments. So now you just need to click on the copy link, and again as I said, if your payment is not set up, you will not have the option. Otherwise you just need to copy, and you can now share it with your clients or with your audience as well. So that's the way of how you can collect payment using HubSpot for free.